I'm Michaela, and today we will be solving a problem from section 5, question 8. So, in this question, in the figure above, lines BA and DC have equal lengths and are perpendicular to EF, which passes through the center of the circle. If the area of square GEFH is 81 and JK equals 5, what is the length of EJ? Well, there we are given a lot of information and related to the figure. For starters, we are told that lines BA is equal to DC. We are told that both lines BA and DC are perpendicular to EF. And DC is also perpendicular to EF. Well, what do we know about perpendicular lines is that they form a 90-degree angle. Therefore, if this is perpendicular to this, a 90-degree angle will be formed. So that is what is going on between those two. And we are told that EF passes through the circle, the center of passes through the center of the circle. Therefore, we know that they are chords. In the square, we are also given a square in the figure, which is square GHEF, we are told that the area is 81. Well, if we know what the area is, then we can find out what the length of the sides are, which will be critical, especially since we're going to be having to solve for a part of the line of EF, which is this one. So, well, what do we know? We know that area equals side squared. And in this case, we are told that the area equals 81, so 81 will equal side squared. Well, to solve for us, we're going to take the square root of both sides. So we are left with s alone equals the square root of 81, and we know that the square root of 81 equals 9. Therefore, we know that if sides equal 9, we know that line EF will equal 9. Okay. In later information, we are told that part of the line, which is JK equals 5. So, well, now let's draw that. Okay, so we know this information. We will now now let's go for EF. So we have line EF, right? EF. And we have points J and K, which are perpendicular to EF, and this is all part of a circle. Okay, so let's do that like that. This figure is obviously not drawn to scale. So this is J, and this is K. And we are told that JK equals 5. Yet we already know that the whole length is how much? We said EF equals 9. And as properties of a chord, which says that chords are equidistant from the center only if their lengths are equal, and already we had figured out that BA and DC have equal length, we know that these chords, the length of, say, EJ, which is, let's say, X, will be equal to the length of KF, which is, say, X again, because they will be equal. Therefore, we know that X plus 5 plus X plus 5 plus X will equal our total distance, our total length of 9. So now let's solve for X, and that's how we will get EJ, line EJ, which is what the question is asking us. So we have X plus X equals 2X plus 5 equals 9. Then we move the 5 to the other side, and we are left with 2x equals 9 minus 5 is 4. Then we have to divide by both sides by 2, and the x will equal 2. And we know then, therefore, that EJ equals 2. Okay, so now with that information, we can solve, and we say that the answer choice is A. If we were to have a different problem, say we are given a circle. We are given a circle with the line passing through the center being AB. And we have two chords which are equidistant from the center of the circle. And let's label those M, N, O, P. These 2 points, say, are J and K. And the question would be asking us to find what is the addition of AJ, line AJ, plus KB. Well, say we are given the information that AB equals 10 and JK equals 8. So now we have to find the addition of AJ and KB. Well, using what we know about chords, we know that they will be equidistant from the center. So we know that this will be x, which will be equal to the same distance as AJ will be equal to the same distance as KB. So therefore we have our equation that K plus JK, which is 8, plus KB, which is x again, because it's going to be the same, will equal our total length of 10. So let's solve. So it's going to be 2x plus 8 equals 10. You move the 8, 2x equals 2. Therefore, x equals 1. Well, we know that x equals 1, but the question is asking what is the addition of AJ and KB. So we have the 1 is AJ and plus KB, which is 1. So our answer would be 2. And that is our answer. Thank you.